Hi, first grade. Happy Wednesday. It's Miss Rudolph here, and it is time for social studies. Now, we had a very special day yesterday, Tuesday, November the 3rd, 2020. We had an election in our country. Grown-ups that are old enough to vote and that register to vote, they were able to go and have their voices heard and make a choice for leaders of our country. Okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about voting today. Now, we all remember that government is a group of people that makes laws that keeps us happy, safe, and healthy. And then we are citizens, and part of our job as a citizen, when we're old enough, if we register, is to vote because it's very important to make our voice heard so we can see what leaders we would like to lead us. Okay, so to the side here in a second, you'll see him in a minute. My nephew Bo is going to help me. He's going to introduce three very special friends of mine that would like to be our class president. But before we do that, I would like to talk a little bit about voting. Okay, so I can make choices by voting. When you vote, you get to make a choice. Sometimes you only have two choices, sometimes there's several choices that you can choose from. But when you vote, you get to say, I want that. Okay, voting is when a group of people can make choices together. Now, Miss Brown, she was able to vote early, and I think she mailed in her ballot, but Miss Rudolph went yesterday. I got up super early and I went to my polling location and I was there by 6:15. I thought if I got there before the polls opened, I would be like the first in line. Well, friends, let me show you. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see this very well, but the line was clear, wrapped around the building all the way to the street. It was like a big long snake. It was crazy. Look at that line right there. It made my heart so happy though, because this told me that a lot of people were being good citizens and they were getting out and having their voice heard and voting. This is when I got a little bit closer to the building to get my voice heard. And then when you vote, you get a sticker that says you voted. And this was me with my I voted sticker because I was very happy to have my voice heard. And here's my sticker right here. Okay. So the point is, all those people got together to make a choice. And we were voting on leaders of our country to see who we would like to continue to lead our country. Maybe it would be a new leader. Maybe it would be leaders that have been leading us that have been that we would like them to continue leading. Okay. And when we vote, we make things fair because we choose it together. So when you get your voice heard, when you go vote, it's all fair because everybody has the chance to vote as long as they're a citizen in our country and they are registered to vote. And then the thing that you fill out when you vote is called a ballot. So Miss Rudolph got to use like a stylus, it's like a little pen. So I did not have to touch my screen, but it was all like a big computer and I used my little pen to touch so that way my fingers weren't touching the screen because of Corona. And then I got to hit vote and that counted my ballot. Now Miss Brown voted early, so she had a piece of paper that she took a pencil and she had to color in her choices and send it to the Board of Elections. But the thing that you write on to vote is called a ballot. All right, friends. Now what we're going to do is we are going to meet three very special friends of mine. And they have come and told me that they would like to be the first grade class president. So what we're going to do today is we are going to learn a little bit about them today. And then tomorrow they're going to tell you why they think they should be our class president. And then Friday, you get to vote. You will get to choose who you want to be our class president. So let's go ahead and get started. My nephew's going to help me. And so he's going to show us, he's going to introduce our first candidate. That's the first person who's running. Okay, come on in, Mr. Candidate. In a minute, buddy. Come on in, Mr. Candidate. Huh? He likes to color? Okay, thank you. The candidate was telling me something that he wants you to know. Okay, ready? So this is my friend, Dino the dinosaur. Everybody say, hi, Dino. Hi, Dino. Okay, so Miss Rudolph is going to ask him a couple questions so that way you get to learn more about him to see if maybe you have things in common and maybe you like him. So, Dino, what is your favorite color? likes blue.
We actually green and blue.
Ooh, green and blue, Dino. Those are good choices. And Dino, what kind of food do you like to eat?
Fish.
Dino likes to eat fish. And Dino, do you have a big family? Do you have a lot of brothers and sisters?
5.
You have 5 brothers and sisters? Oh my goodness. And Dino, what is your favorite sport?
Soccer.
Soccer. You like to kick the ball? You like to kick the ball? And what is your favorite activity to do? I saw you had these in your mouth. What do you like to do with these?
Color.
So you like to color. So friends, this is our first candidate for our class president. This is Dino the dinosaur. He has a big family. He has 5 brothers and sisters. He likes to color. He likes the colors green and blue. He likes to eat fish. And he likes to play soccer. All right, can everybody say bye, Dino? And we're going to meet our next candidate. All right, Dino, you can go sit down. All right. Yes, buddy.
Look, he have like 5 sisters and 4 boys because he one of the boys.
Oh, yes. So there's 5 of them. So he has 4 sisters because he's the only boy. So he's got a lot of sisters. Thank you, Dino. Okay, Bo, can you show us the next candidate? Bring in the next candidate who would like to be our president. Okay. This is Bronson the brown bear. Bronson the bear. Everybody say hi, Bronson. Hi. Okay, so Miss Rudolph is going to ask him some questions. Bronson, what is your favorite color?
Black.
Bronson likes black, and I wonder if that's
And brown.
brown and black. Very good colors. I like those too. And what's your favorite food, Bronson? Do you like honey? Oh, Bronson likes honey. Very, very good. And do you have any brothers or sisters, Bronson? You
One
do.
sister.
Bronson has a small family. He has 1 sister, but that is so nice. And Bronson, what sport do you like to play?
Football.
Football. Very, very nice. And Bronson, what kind of other fun things do you like to do? I know Dino the dinosaur likes to color. What do you like to do?
I like to play my phone.
He has a phone that he likes to play games on, so he's a gamer. Very, very good. So, do you like Bronson the bear? Do you think he would be a good candidate, a good president for our class? I don't know. All right, everybody say bye, Bronson. All right, we have one more candidate for you to meet who really, really, really wants to be our class president. And this is Molly the unicorn. Everybody say hi, Molly. Hi, Molly. Molly is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful horsey unicorn. Molly, what is your favorite color? Rainbow. Molly likes rainbow colors. Very, very nice. And what is your favorite sport?
What one did Brown Bear do?
He liked football.
Basketball.
Ooh, Molly likes basketball. Very, very good. And Molly, do you have any brothers or sisters? No. Molly does not have any brother. No, Molly does not have any brothers or sisters.
Yeah.
No, no, she told me that she doesn't. And then what kind of other activities do you like to do besides playing basketball? You like watching movies
On TV.
on TV? So you like watching TV? And I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite food?
Hay.
You like hay? Very good.
Horses actually eat hay.
Yeah, they do. You're right. Okay, so we've got Molly the unicorn, Bronson the bear, and Dino the dinosaur. These are 3 friends wanting to be your class president. So tomorrow you're going to hear from them and they're going to tell you why they would be an excellent class president. And then on Friday, you're going to get to vote and make your voice heard. Okay? So can everybody say bye, Dino, bye, Bronson, and bye, Molly. We'll see everyone later. So what I want you to do. Okay, thank you, buddy. So what I want you to do now for today's homework is I want you to record yourself either like your voice or a video, and tell me what you learned about voting, okay? And then post that to Seesaw, and then there'll be just a quick video tomorrow letting you know a little bit more about these candidates. And then on Friday, the assignment for Friday for social studies will be actually voting. So I hope you had fun meeting my friends and learning a little bit about the voting process. Ask mommies and daddies, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, older brothers and sisters if they went and voted, what their experience was like, because I know I had a very good experience and it was very cool, and I'm super excited to start seeing the results of this election and see who won. All right, everyone, I can't wait to see what you learned about voting, and I will see everybody later. Bye.